the default file extension for a PowerPoint presentation? Answer: SPTX, which PowerPoint view allows you to see and edit the content of individual slides. Answer: Normal. What is the shortcut key to start a presentation from the beginning? Answer: 5. Which PowerPoint tab is used to add new slides to a presentation? Answer: Insert. What feature in PowerPoint allows you to apply a consistent design to your entire presentation? Answer: Slide Master. Which PowerPoint view displays a miniature version of all the slides in your presentation? Answer: Slide Sorter. To add animation to text or objects in PowerPoint, which tab would you use? Answer: Animations. What does Slideshow view in PowerPoint do? Answer: It shows the presentation in full screen mode. What is the purpose of PowerPoint's Transitions tab? Answer: To add slide transitions and animations. Which PowerPoint feature allows you to deliver your presentation to an audience? Answer: Presenter view. Which file format is best for sharing a PowerPoint presentation with others who don't have PowerPoint installed? Answer: PDF. How can you reorder slides in PowerPoint? Answer: Drag and drop in slide sorter view. Which of the following is not a PowerPoint slide layout? Answer: Dashboard. What feature in PowerPoint allows you to add speaker's notes to your slides? Answer: Speaker Notes view. How can you duplicate a slide in PowerPoint? Answer: Right-click and select Duplicate Slide. Which tab is used to apply themes and design elements to a PowerPoint presentation? Answer: Design. What does the animation pane in PowerPoint allow you to do? Answer: View and manage animations on a slide. What is the function of the Design Ideas feature in PowerPoint? Answer: It provides design suggestions for your slides. Which view in PowerPoint allows you to edit the text within placeholders directly on the slide? Answer: Normal. What is the purpose of the master slide in PowerPoint? Answer: To allows you to control the design and layout of all slides in a presentation.